Hi, I'm Lynette and welcome. So before we get into today's video, which is going to be a head wrap tutorial, yes, I need to explain it, okay? The video you're about to see was part of another video. I had filmed a get ready with me using some new products and filming this, whole look here. And it was just way too long. I still have not mastered how to do a get ready with me in 30 minutes or less. I don't know why. Everyone else seems to be able to do it. So yeah, it was just gonna be like way too long. So I decided not to post that. But at the end of that video, I did a head wrap tutorial on this head wrap here today. So that's what this video is. It's the end of a previous video. So if it starts off strange, that's why, because it was part of another video. And yeah, so I'll come back at the end of that video more than likely to film a proper outro. We'll see how it goes. So if you're interested in finding out how I created this head wrap today, then just keep on watching. So what I have on my head is a shaper, and I got this from Rapunzel, W-R-A-P, Rapunzel, and basically it's full of cotton in here, like the stuff you use to stuff pillows with if you make pillows, or like stuffed animals and things. So it's got this cotton stuffing in here to make it look like you have like a bun of hair. So for people like me who don't have a lot of hair, who are gonna have even less hair, maybe if you don't have any hair, you can still wear a wrap and look like you have some hair. And you can, pull it down however which way you like to wear it. You can wear it high up if you wanted to, or I tend to like to wear mine lower, so I pull it down. It has this velvet band around it because that's what's going to grip on to your fabric, so that your head wrap doesn't slide down your head throughout the day, kind of like the wig grip for wigs. If you've seen a wig grip, same thing, same thing. So I'm going to use I don't know, I have on this gray top. This is my lounge top. I know, but I'm not going nowhere today. I'm not going outside, so so I want to keep it simple. So I usually use 2 wraps because it just makes it more interesting. And this is fabric that I got. These are scarves that I got from Amazon, which I know is the evil empire, and I really need to boycott them, but it's gonna have to be a gradual thing. I'm gonna have to wean myself off of it. And these are very big. They're very light. They're almost like gauze material. So, they do get holes in them. I do have some holes in them. I don't think they're gonna last me very long. I got them last year, and I'm surprised, that they've lasted this long. I've washed them, no problems. So they're really quite big. I have it folded in half, so this isn't even the full length, but yeah, so they're nice and big, and they're great for head wraps. So you know what, I took this one out, but I think I'm gonna go on ahead and use the gray one. I have them in a ton of different colors. You can buy them in bundles from Amazon, which is what I've done. This one is kind of dirty. I need to wash it, but we're gonna overlook that for right now. So it's the same one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this one and do I have you zoomed out? Okay. So I'm gonna take it, and I'm gonna make one side. I'm gonna make this side a little shorter than the other side, because when I wrap it, I end up using more of this than this, and so when I wrap, then they're going to be more equal. So I'm gonna make this side a little shorter. And I know you can't see, but so yeah, so this one's significantly shorter. And then I'm just gonna pull it like right to where you can't see my shaper. And the shaper comes in different colors, black, dark brown, like a bone white, not white, but like bone shade. I opted for the dark brown, and I just tie it in the back like so. Okay, and usually I don't know what the back looks like. And now they're almost even, not quite even. I didn't get it quite even, but. And then and you could do your wrap. I could do it with just this one scarf, but you know, like I said, I like to do at least two. It makes it more interesting. This wrap I got from Rapunzel, and it's a much shorter wrap, but colorful, and it's got like these crinkles, like it looks like it needs to be ironed. It did get a hole in it. They're fragile. They're fragile. So I'm just gonna take this one and do the same thing as I did with the first one. This one has fringes at the end too, so when you wrap it, you can have the fringes out if you like. I prefer not to have the fringe out. Yeah, so I'm going to do the same thing with that one, but this one I'm going to layer it just a little bit, you know, below. So I don't want to cover up all of the gray. Do I have this? Yeah, okay. I don't want to cover up the gray scarf completely. And then I'm just gonna tie this one in the back too. Actually, I'm gonna tie it underneath the gray one. So I'm just gonna tie it underneath the gray, the solid one. If I can find the ends of it. Okay, here we go. And okay, like so. And then you see here, I still have like a little poof back there. And then this is gonna be a very easy, I want to try to do a simple wrap, nothing too complicated. And usually when I do my wraps, I'm just, you know, kind of like twirling it. I'm just kind of like twisting this one, and then I'm going to take this one and I'm going to wrap it around this one. I don't want to wrap it too tight, which is what I'm doing. Okay, let's try this again. All right, I don't want to wrap it too tight, but. And then when I get to the end, I'm just gonna like cover up the fringe with the gray one because I don't really want the fringe out. And then I'm just gonna wrap it around. And then I'm gonna tuck it behind there, right up here. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the other one. And because this has a rough edge on it, you see that? This has like a little fringe on it too. And I don't want that out, so I'm just kind of like tucking that into itself, and then I'm twisting the scarf. Try not to twist it too tight because I want to have some bulk up here when I wrap it around the head. And then I'm going to do the same thing with this scarf. And then take this, the ends of the gray scarf, and just wrap it around the fringe of the small scarf, because again, I don't want the fringe to show. I mean, you can if you want to. And then I'm just going to take it and I'm going to behind this one, and then I'm going to bring it across this one, and then I'm going to tuck it back here somewhere. Like under my shaper. And that's it. That's it. Again, I don't know what the back looks like, but hopefully it looks okay. And yeah, that's all of it. And you know, it kind of looks a little more intricate, right, than it is, but as you can see, it was very simple. So that is it. I mean, this is the head wrap that I do most often. I use different fabrics, different scarves, but this is the one I do most often because it is the easiest and it's the quickest. Usually I just make it up as I go along. I used 3 scarves before, but normally I use just the 2. Sometimes, like when I'm working, I'll just use 1. So but yeah, this is the one. It's easy, and it just, you know, makes it look a little more intricate than what it really is. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some value from it. If you did, then please give it a like and consider subscribing, and let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see any more head wrap tutorials. I might have 1 or 2 different ways I do them. Let me know in the comments. I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.